Are you suffering from period pain? Then it could be dysmenorrhea. This is Dr. Sushmita, consultant at Jeevashri Ayurvedic Wellness. Stay tuned till the end because in this video, I'm gonna share few effective remedies that may offer an absolute relief and ease with all your concerns. Dysmenorrhea or painful menstruation is one of the most commonest problem faced by women these days. It almost affects 90% of the women of reproductive age. Dysmenorrhea can be so debilitating and it can alter our day-to-day activities, resulting in absence in school, workplace, and whatnot. So, speaking about the symptoms, the most common symptoms seen in dysmenorrhea are: number 1, pain along your lower abdomen. Number 2, backache. Number 3, pain along your inner thighs, and sometimes this pain radiates to your legs as well. Other associated symptoms include giddiness, nausea, vomiting, and even diarrhea. In most of the cases, dysmenorrhea is due to uterine contraction. As a result, you experience the period cramps. In few other cases, the dysmenorrhea is caused due to any underlying medical conditions like endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory diseases, and so on. So initially, ruling out the cause is very important, and further which the treatment protocol is decided accordingly. So to rule out the cause, you can undergo simple abdominal USGs and other hormonal tests, etc. Now, moving on to the Ayurvedic aspect about dysmenorrhea. In Ayurveda, everything in the body is governed by 3 doshas: Vata, Pitta, and the Kapha. And each dosha has got its own duty to do in the body. So the Vata dosha, that which governs the flow and the mobility in the body. When there is aggravation of the Vata dosha, it results in pain, tension, and dryness in the body. As a result, resulting in the contraction of the uterus, resulting in the period cramps. Coming to the Pitta dosha, that which regulates heat in the body. So when there is aggravation of Pitta dosha, it results in heat, resulting in inflammation, as a result profuse bleeding, and as a result causing period cramps. So what can we do for this condition? So now I'll mention few effective tips that you can incorporate in your day-to-day life. Thereby, you can alleviate the symptoms. Number 1, make it a point to incorporate more fresh fruits and fresh leafy vegetables in your diet at least a few weeks before your period starts. Number 2, avoid intake of so much of spicy, dry, and cold foods because all these foods tend to cause imbalance in your Vata and Pitta dosha typically. Number 3, make it a point to drink infused water with herbs like ginger, cinnamon, fenugreek, etc. So all these help in balancing out your doshas, and thereby you can have a calm and relaxed period. Number 4, it's the most common remedy that everybody would be knowing, that is application of castor oil, especially on your lower abdomen. Because castor oil having cold potency, it helps in alleviating Pitta dosha, thereby reducing the cramps. And the last one is incorporating yogasanas into your daily practices. Yogasanas like Baddha Konasana, that is the butterfly pose, Janu Shishasana, that is the head to knee pose, and Balasana, that is the child pose, Markadasana, and so many to add on. All these help in alleviating the symptoms. Ayurveda offers a holistic and individualized approach in managing the dysmenorrhea by addressing the root cause, that is the imbalance in the doshas. By incorporating healthy diet, usage of specific drug, stress relieving practices, all these can help in alleviating the symptoms. For personalized guidance, do visit your nearest branch and experience relief from menstrual pain in a natural and effective way. Thank you.